Good morning, Ben.
Good morning, Mom.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, Mom. I slept very well.
Great! It is a beautiful day.
Yes, I am happy.
Here is your breakfast.
Thank you, Mom.
Do you like it? Yes, it looks yummy.
Eat well and grow strong.
I will, Mom. It's so pretty, Mom.
It is a perfect morning.
Look at the birds. Mom, will you miss me?
Of course, Ben. I will miss you too. Have fun at school.
I will. See you later. Mom! Ben!
I am happy to see you.
I am happy to see you too.
I missed you.
I missed you too, my son.
Catch the ball! I got it! Look, Mom! I can run fast!
Good job! Wow, you are amazing!
Thank you, Mom.
Ouch!
Ben, are you okay? My knee hurts.
Come here.
Thank you, Mom.
Don't worry, I am here.
I feel better now.
Mom, can you help me?
Of course!
This part right here. Thank you.
You are doing great. Really? Yes, I am proud of you.
That makes me happy.